Hello, children. I am Tap. You can see me in the kitchen. I give you fresh water for washing and drinking. T-A-P. Tap.
Hello, children. I am Gas Stove. I help cook your tasty food every day. G-A-S Stove.
Hello, children. I am Sink. I help you wash your hands, fruits, and dishes. I keep the kitchen clean. S-I-N-K, Sink.
Hello, children. I am the Towel. I help you dry your hands and dishes. Hello, children. I am the Cabinet. I store plates, cups, and food items inside me. Hello, children. I am the Cupboard. I keep utensils and groceries safe inside me. Hello, children. I am the Chimney. I remove smoke and bad smells from the kitchen.
Hello, children. I am the Plate. I hold your food while you eat.
Hello, children. I am the Drawer. I keep spoons, forks, and knives safe inside me.
Hello, children. I am the Kettle. I boil water for tea and soup. Hello, children. I am the Toaster. I make your bread crispy and brown.
Hello, children. I am the Microwave. I heat your food quickly.
Hello, children. I am the Refrigerator. I keep fruits, vegetables, and milk fresh and cold.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about kitchen things. Look at the page. Children, look first for tap. We have a tap that gives us water and a sink where we wash dishes and hands. In the kitchen, we have a light that gives us brightness. We use a towel to dry our hands and utensils. Next is bowl and drawer. We eat our food in a bowl for soup or rice. We keep spoons and knives in a drawer. Next is plate and kettle. We eat our food on a plate and a kettle helps us boil water. Next is cabinet and chimney. We store plates, cups, and groceries in a cabinet. A chimney removes smoke and keeps the air clean. Next is toaster and microwave. We use microwave to cook food and it heats foods quickly, and a toaster makes our bread crispy. Next is gas stove and refrigerator. We use a gas stove to cook food and a refrigerator that keeps food fresh and cold. The last one is cupboard. We store plates, cups, and groceries in a cupboard. I hope you understand this chapter.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 4 little ducks came back.
4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 3 little ducks came back.
3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But only 2 little ducks came back.
2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. Only 1 little duck came back.
1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. But none of the 5.
Hello, children. Look at us carefully. I am more than the small group. When one side has more objects, we use this sign, greater than.
This mouth opens toward the bigger number. Hello, children. Count us carefully. We are 2 mangoes.
We are 3 oranges.
When one side has fewer objects, we use the less than sign. It opens toward the bigger group. Hello, children. Count us. 1, 2. Both sides have the same number. That means equal to.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about comparing numbers. When we compare numbers, we check which number is bigger, which is smaller, or if they are the same. Look at these objects carefully. When one group has more items than the other group, we say it is greater than. The greater than sign looks like a hungry mouth that opens toward the bigger number. Now observe the next example. When one group has fewer items than the other group, we say it is less than. The less than sign also looks like a mouth and it opens toward the bigger number. Next is equal. When both sides have the same number of objects, we use the equal to sign. The equal to sign has 2 straight lines and it tells us that both numbers are equal. Very good, children. Always remember to count carefully before choosing the correct sign.
Hello, little stars. I am Bag. You can keep your books, pencils, and lunch inside me. I help you carry your school things.
Hello, little stars. I am Rag. I help clean dust and spills.
Hello, little stars. I am Tag. I show the price or name of something. You can see me on clothes and bags.
Hello, little stars. I wag my tail when I am happy. Wag means moving back and forth quickly. W-A-G. Wag!
Mom, the pony keeps complaining. Hello, little stars. I am nag means to complain again and again. We should not nag too much. Hello, little stars. Drag means to pull something along the ground. The box moves slowly. Hello, little stars. Lag means to fall behind or move slowly.
Hello, little stars. I am Flag. I represent a country and fly high in the sky. Hello, little stars. I am Stag. I am a male deer with big horns called antlers. Leaves fall softly.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the ag word family. Look at the page. Let us start with the word bag. A bag is used to carry books, clothes or other important things. We bring our school books in a bag. Now look at the word rag. A rag is a piece of cloth used for cleaning. We use a rag to wipe tables or clean spills. The next word is tag. A tag is a small label attached to something. It can show the price or the name of an item. Here we have the word wag. Wag means to move something back and forth quickly, like a dog wagging its tail when it is happy. This word is nag. Nag means to complain or remind someone again and again. We should try not to nag others. Now look at drag. Drag means to pull something along the ground. For example, if you pull a heavy box slowly, you drag it. The word lag means to fall behind. If someone runs slowly in a race, they may lag behind the others. Next, we have the word flag. A flag represents a country or a group. It is usually made of cloth and waves in the wind. Now look at stag. Stag is a male member in deer family. Stag also have big horns called antlers. It lives in jungle, children. Very good, children.
Hello, little stars. I am Dam. I stop and control river water. I help store water and make electricity. D-A-M, dam.
Hello, little stars. I am Jam. I am sweet and tasty. You can spread me on bread. J-A-M, jam.
Hello, little stars. I am Ram. I am a male sheep with big curved horns. R-A-M, Ram. Hello, little stars. I am Yam. I am a healthy root vegetable that grows under the ground. Y-A-M, Yam.
Hello, little stars. I am Ham. People eat me as food. H-A-M, Ham.
Hello, little stars. I am Clam. I live inside my shell in the sea. C-L-A-M, clam. Hello, little stars. Slam means to close something loudly and quickly. S-L-A-M, slam. Hello, little stars. An exam is a test to check what you have learned. E-X-A-M, exam. Hello, little stars. I am Sam. Sam is the name of a boy. S-A-M, Sam.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about the am word family. Let us start with the word dam. A dam is a strong wall built across a river to stop or control the flow of water. Now look at the word jam. Jam is a sweet food made from fruits. We often spread jam on bread. The next word is ram. A ram is a male sheep. It usually has large curved horns. Here we have the word yam. A yam is a type of vegetable that grows under the ground. It is healthy and nutritious. Children, now look at the word ham. This word is ham. Ham is a type of meat that people eat as food. Children, now look at a clam. A clam is a sea animal with a hard shell. It lives in water and you can find it near the ocean. See children, the next word slam means to shut something loudly and quickly, like slamming a door. Children, next we have an exam. An exam is a test that checks how much you have learned in school. Next we have Sam. Sam is a name. Sam is also a person's name. Like my name is Richa and your names can be Rahul, Rohan. Very good children.
Hello, children. I am number 55. Look at these candies. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 55. I have 55 candies today.
Hello, friends. I am number 56. You can see my mugs in the kitchen. We use mugs to drink milk and juice. Let's count all the mugs. 1 to 56.
Look carefully, children. Each candy shows one number. When we count all the candies together, we stop at 55. That means the total number of candies is 55. Children, look at the left side of the page. This is number 55. We write it as 5 and 5. 55 comes before 56 and after 54 while we count numbers. Look carefully, children. Each candy shows one number. When we count all the candies together, we stop at 55. That means the total number of candies is 55. Children, this is number 56. We write it as 5 and 6. Let us move our eyes to the mugs and start counting them one by one. Look carefully at the mugs, children. When we count all the mugs on the page, we reach 56. That means the total number of mugs is 56. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep practicing your numbers every day.